In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we check on our turtle buddies at Rudder Cut Cay after seeing a big-ass shark leave the anchorage. New No Trespassing signs on the beach inform us of deadly conditions. And our hulls desperately need cleaning. A hookah rig would help, but is a bikini really necessary? If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel. Now I feel like I'm in the Bahamas. It's been cloudy for days. Just awful. It's still cloudy right over here. Ladder's still in the water.
That's okay. It's not going anywhere.
I might go back in.
I know. And you probably should.
Let's go swimming naked.
Okay. So the other day we saw this big ass shark cruising out of this little bay that we're in here at Rudder Cut Cay. And our first concern was for our buddies, the turtles, because right over here is where we like to visit the turtles.
And we watched the shark swim out this way. So
we're gonna go and see if we can find the turtles and see if there's still some there.
that'll be really sad if they're not there anymore.
I hope they're there. They are the chillest turtles. Let's go have a look.
Okay. So right now, Dave and I are looking for the turtles to make sure that they're still here. Oh, there's one right there.
That's
There he is.
There's
one.
That's a new guy.
Okay, that's a new one.
Let's go along the shore here because
Okay.
that's usually where they feed.
We just wanted to see what happened when we saw that great big shark leave this bay. I wanted to make sure that my buddies are still here.
Oh, I don't imagine they're all still here.
Yeah.
Wouldn't have left empty-handed. And the turtles here are so chill. Like, I can't see a shark having a hard time sneaking up on them.
Yeah.
New no trespassing signs.
Yeah, one there. And that actually glows at night.
No, that one over there does.
There's one over here too, eh? I saw one of them glowing last night.
The light's over here.
I'm just standing on the bow of the dinghy. I am wearing a bathing suit, so if I fall in, no big.
I think that's risky. I think you should get rid of the bathing suit. You had to put signs up because people kept going hiking here. It is a private island. High water mark is as far as you're allowed to go on a private island.
I need to get off the boat. It's been terrible weather for the last week. The sun is desperately trying to come out and the water's finally flat and there's no brown thimble jellyfish in the water, so we thought we'd come out and see about our turtle friends.
Not seeing any.
Not either.
Rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat. Rock the boat. Rock the boat. There she is, just sitting there without us on her for once. And our neighbor that's been sitting here with us, he was nice enough, he waved the other day. But it's just been shitty weather. So as far as this weather pattern goes, it's so much worse north Bahamas right now where our friends are. And it is really bad in Florida, where we actually were supposed to be at this time of year, but I'm so glad we're here. So I'm not poo-pooing the weather too badly. It's just, you always hope for better when you're in the Bahamas. It'd be interesting to go up over that, eh?
But you can't.
But you can't. Violators will be prosecuted. Private property.
Notice deadly conditions. Oh, it's not looking good.
Oh, we saw one turtle. I bet you.
One little one.
One little one.
I don't see any big ones.
I'm looking.
Get a couple more passes.
Thank you for getting me off the boat, baby.
Yeah, no doubt.
Thank you. I could have done it myself, but I prefer company. Nerd.
Not a turtle.
No, it's a rock. Yeah, this is not looking good. Maybe go this direction again.
Apparently this is what happened in Hooper's Bay. I'm gonna go out this way and then across again.
What happened in Hooper's Bay?
There was turtles people used to go feed in Hooper's Bay and visit and so forth. And then a tiger shark was spotted. And then no more turtles. So,
Yeah, very sad.
turtles are not only friendly and wonderful, they're also delicious. Just ask a friendly neighborhood.
Can you imagine you're one of those turtles and suddenly you see like this 10-foot freaking monster coming at you? Is that one? There's one. Yeah. Same guy. He's over there by the rock. No, there's that one too. There's one there and then there's one there. There's two of them.
They're both little, but there's two of them.
There's two of them. There's one.
That's one of the bigger ones. Nope, that's another one. That's bigger.
No, that's a big guy.
That's one of the big ones.
Yay! Hi, guy! Oh, that's awesome.
Survivor.
So the good news is we see the three of them. They're still in here, so the tiger shark wasn't successful when it came in for its meal. High five! What?
There was way more than two little ones and one bigger one.
Well, we're gonna go with that. Because the other is sad. So sad. What? What?
It's not turtle.
Scared the shit out of me. Because if you said shark, I would have like died right where I stood.
You're inside a boat.
Because I would have fallen out of the boat.
Not without a push.
Hey.
No.
No? Your imagination? Running amok?
It was that right there.
Oh. Rock? It was a rock.
It's not a turtle.
Dave. Just hunt for turtles, but not swimming. Although we could be swimming if we wanted to, because there's no thimble jellyfish in the water that I see yet. It's been bad the last couple of days.
Yeah, there was people coming in here and having bonfires and hiking and crossing to the other side of the island and all kinds of stuff.
So they had to put up signs. Because can you imagine how much money they paid for this island?
David Copperfield owns this island.
Oh, does he? So he had enough of them traipsing on his land, huh?
He owns this. Lucia Key is where all the big houses are built.
Right. Look at all these little fish right here. And it's like a hole. Right. What is that? Is that a pipe? That's different. And then there's a pipe under there. That's different. That wasn't here before.
Turtle.
Is there? Really? Don't scare him. He's just sitting there. He's just sitting right there. He's a little guy. Look at him.
Yeah, we got little ones, but the big ones appear to be
Well,
missing.
there was one big one that was over there. That bigger rock's over there. And he's slowly swimming away.
These little ones are kind of skittish, which is understandable if all the big ones suddenly disappeared. I guess it's still good turtle grounds, but some of our big favorites seem to be missing. Maybe we just can't find them.
That's what I'm hoping. Okay.
There's another turtle. Yeah. Got a Conch Trail. Conch tracks. Well, I think if we decide later on to do some snorkeling, we should snorkel all along this rock, because I think the turtles are hiding under it. From here you can't see our boat. It's down around that bend, so it just looks deserted. It's kind of a nice look. So there's a solar panel on that sign. I wonder if it's powering a light or a camera. No, we're not going to go hiking on somebody else's property.
No, we're not hiking.
Hanging out with the turtles. Hanging out with the turtles that didn't feed the sharks. That's the signs they should have up. Instead of those, they should have signs that say, don't feed the sharks. And post them underwater here for the turtles. Too soon? Oh, there's our boat. Back out from around the corner.
Isn't it nice?
It's nice.
Sitting
Nice
here.
being off the boat. 4 or 5 days of really shitty weather on a sailboat and you will be dying to get off the boat. It's humid and muggy in there and you can't open the hatches because it's raining. And when you do open the hatches, there's no breeze because there's no wind. And you can't get in the water because it's full of thimble jellyfish. And it's too choppy to go visit anybody. And so when you get a day like today where it finally calms down enough to get off the boat, you get off the
You
boat.
get off the boat. Even if it isn't full sun, you get off the boat. Get off the boat. Get off my boat.
We'll race back there when it starts to rain so we can close the hatches. Even Imp isn't anchored. She's just kind of sitting there hovering on the beach.
Hi guys! What are you doing? Can I come in and place? What?
This is a fishy place.
Very.
Oh, look, an open clam. This is YouTube. I can't show an open clam. Okay, that solar panel has a light on the end of it, and that's what lights up the sign. In the Bahamas, if you're out of the water, you're pretty much safe. Even the giant spiders here don't give a shit about you, but you get in the water and you're fair game. Are you fair game?
I'm fair game.
The people who've been getting hit by the sharks have been getting hit in waist deep water, so ain't nobody here but us chickens. Sharks don't eat chickens. The Hamian saltwater crocodiles do, though.
It's empty.
It's empty. There is nobody home.
Nobody's home?
That's a really heavy conch shell. Holy shit.
So what's the plan today, Captain Dave?
Boat scrapings.
Yeah.
I'm putting together our hookah rig, generously donated by friends of ours. And we're gonna get down there and see if we can scrape some of the reef off the bottom of the boat.
Sounds like a plan.
Yay! Are we done yet? So the hookah rig's got no spark. And the cord's not retracting properly. That I can fix probably just by lubing the spring, but there's no spark.
We were going to use the hookah rig to get underneath the boat and scrape the bottom, but may not work today. Maybe for another day, because the keels do need a scraping,
Sure do.
and that's a lot more than just putting on your snorkel gear.
keels, sail drives.
Yeah. And they, from what I saw, they need to be scraped. I was able to scrape along the side of the boat. And the stuff coming off there was coming off its sheets. It was crazy.
That's better.
Stop playing with your pull cord. I was definitely in the water today because it's a decent day so far.
Day in 2 weeks.
Knock on wood, guys. But there's no thimble jellyfish, and the sun is out, and the water's pretty calm. So I was taking full advantage by going snorkeling and scraping the side of the boat naked.
Yeah. Do you want the octopus red?
I needed it. This is more of an exercise. I like to.
Okay. I could keep at the bottom. A crab? Did I get you again? Is that a crab? I'm gonna go get the hookah rig ready.
Is that McLube?
No, this is just WD-40.
Oh.
McLube I save for all of our sailing parts, blocks, that kind of thing.
I think it's hilarious that it's called McLube. Sounds like a joke. Beginning of a joke. How does that saying go? Something's broken on your boat, you just don't know what it is yet until you get to it, or until you need it. Until you need to use it. Oh, it's broken. Gotta fix it. Thank goodness this is a want and not a need. I can still get in and scrape some more. I got all the easy parts, that's all.
Yeah.
Does anything to do with the lid?
The what?
The lid?
Gas cap?
Yeah. Gas cap.
You're not allowed to help
Is it?
But it's not firing either. What I wonder about is this right here.
What is that?
I don't know, some kind of fusible link or something. Comes off of this electric switch.
Give her another pull. Okay. Nope, okay. I can smell gas.
Which means it's not getting spark.
So much for that.